Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Tip Tricks and Tech. Today we came back with another iPhone video. Finally we got our case, which is a J case from Amazon I bought. This is a really nice case. So we're gonna install our phone. We're gonna activate our phone because I was waiting for it to get the case because I didn't wanna use it without it since the iPhone looks so good. I didn't want to put any scratches and things like that. So I'm gonna activate the phone. So we're gonna be activating the phone. I'm just gonna do a review on this case too. So let's go check it out. Yeah. Okay, on our last video we open box our iPhone. We just put this back, but we already installed the screen protector and everything. As I told you, when I installed screen protector, I told you there was bubbles here, but now all the bubbles disappeared, and this little thing right here which I'm gonna fix it in a minute. But other than that, everything disappeared, so looking very nice, clean in and out. So let me do the let me show you the case. This is J case. This one is MagSafe power adapter. Power adapter. You can use the MagSafe power adapter with this. So this one has a magnetic, pretty much a metal piece around it, so you can put a magnetic MagSafe and it will work really nice. And then let's show the case. It's inside really good, and outside is
Can I take this?
yes, you can take that, no problem. And really nice case around. It's a silicone flexible case, but it's very protective case. So since we don't have to install any SIM card, so we can just directly pop in.
Do they have a SIM card?
No, it doesn't have a SIM card. It's a really nice fit. It's a nice fit in the back and really nice cover. So yeah, it's really good. Okay, so let's activate the phone. You want to turn on the phone. Okay, it is turning on the phone. Push and hold, and here you go. Apple logo came in, and let's take it. Yeah, let's take it from here now. Okay, let me take the camera. So we're gonna select English, then we're gonna select United States, then you're gonna select manually. You're gonna take heaven of manually. That's, let me put a password for my Wi-Fi. Okay, put the password. Let's click join. Okay, it's joining the network.
Yeah.
There you go, it's accepted. Now wait, it takes few minutes, so let's wait to activate it. The next screen came, data privacy, click that, and I'm gonna do Face ID. So I'm gonna set up Face ID. As you know how to set up Face ID before, so let me do that.
So now there's a Face ID for the mask,
Yes.
and
So we're gonna do
the mask.
Face ID. So we're gonna do Face ID with the mask. That's a new feature. I didn't have this feature on that one. Let's do that.
So now we're gonna need the Face
Now
ID.
the Face ID is set up complete. Now you're gonna click continue.
I forgot to
I create a password. I'm gonna put a password.
You
If we put the password, click next. We're gonna put a password again, the same password. Okay, we enter the password. Now restore from iCloud backup. That's what we have it. So I'm gonna put iCloud backup. I'm gonna put my Apple ID and everything. Okay, I did. I put my Apple ID. Now you're gonna click agree. Okay. If you wanna read through it, you can read through it, but it doesn't matter. You have to agree to use the phone. Doesn't matter what the heck they said. You're gonna store your data or anything. You still have to accept it. So just what it is. What are you gonna do? So it's gonna take some time.
Yeah, it takes some.
So now the time to set up the eSIM. It will ask you if you wanna set up a transfer. This is my phone number. So you wanna transfer from the other phone. So you click that pretty much. Then it will ask you. So you have to double tap right here. Since I was using this phone for videotaping, I couldn't show you that earlier. But pretty much, you just gotta double tap it and then you click it right here. Cellular setup complete. So you're just gonna my number transfer data from my iPhone. Yes, continue. Okay, setting up your Apple ID, and it's still finishing on the new phone. Pretty much, you just need to have the old phone near your new phone to activate. I thought it was gonna do it virtually, maybe with that, but without the phones. But you really need the phone with you, the old phone with you, to transfer the data. So it still says on my old phone finishing on the new phone, and we are setting the Apple ID and things like that here.
Everything looks
Yeah, everything looks nice. And enter your phone password. I'm gonna put the enter the phone passcode. And the second obstacle is make this your new phone. Yes, gonna continue. So you're gonna transfer all the data from my old phone. Yes, click continue. Okay, that's my card detail. Continue. Previous card. Oh, you have to put the security card for each card now. Oh my god, it's a headache. So let me try to find my cards. All right, guys. So thanks for watching our video. I hope you like this video. And it just took me a little time to transfer the data because unfortunately I bought a phone which was 128 GB and my older phone was 256 GB. And I was like having difficulty transferring because I have almost 200 GB of data, and which I didn't realize. So I had to delete all this garbage from the messages and things like that. So it took me a little long. That's why I couldn't do it yesterday. But anyway, pretty much transfer everything. It's back to the old phone. Really great. The only thing which I really noticed was the camera and the top right here. Right, so then when the call comes, it will go there and indulge display pretty much. But other than that, it's the same phone. But let me tell you one thing. I had once I transfer complete, the phone kind of hang for a little bit, and I was like, it was not turning on, which is a real issue, which you may have seen or you may have heard of. But it will come back, and once it come back, it's worked perfectly fine, and no problem at all. So, but two recommendation: make sure you buy a phone with a higher capacity because this thing has a video of higher resolution and higher quality, which will use lot more storage, and the photos will use in more storage in higher resolution. So make sure you get a bigger phone because you're probably not going to upgrade it for another year. So it will highly recommended that you get a bigger model. All right, so thanks for watching my video again. Sorry that I couldn't show you the entire process, but it's pretty much a similar. I mean, it's pretty much the same thing from after on. You just transfer everything complete and we'll say everything is complete and ready to go. And thanks for watching again. I'll see you with another video soon. Till then, it's me, Aldos, and my Ethan is behind the camera. So and he will say bye. Okay, he's there. Okay, bye.
Bye.